Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about the record and class. So what is the record and what is the class, right? And we'll also say about when we'll go for the record and when we'll think about the class when we work on the implementation of the logic. So what is the class? A class is like a method from which object is created. It mainly combines the method and fields. What is the record? The record is also user-defined model or data type, and exactly like the class, it tends to hold the set of the data type. Or in other words, we can say that structure is a group of the variable of the various data type and multiple methods, right? So in terms of the memory management, record is much faster than the class, right? And if you see that in the object-oriented concept, right, in the record we can take the advantage of the OOPS concept like inheritance polymorphism, right? So record do not support the inheritance. A class can derive from the other class, but record cannot inherit from the other class or record. Class can create an object by using the create keyword, right? Class is usually applied in large program. Record is usually applied in this small program, right? Where the subset of the data, right, is there. We need to store it, and few small method we can use it, right? So, but whenever the complexity come in, then we'll go for the class. The record versus class type variable. Record type use the local memory versus an object being allocated in the dynamic memory. So record is basically use the local memory, but object is used allocated in the dynamic memory. Okay. Record or value type. If you assign a record to other record, right, you can make a full copy. If you make the changes to the copy, the original record would not reflect, right? So if you have the variable type of the record, right, and we are assigning the record to other record, one record to the other record. And if you're trying to change the one record, right, some set of the value, then it will not reflect the other record. So record of the value type, pass by value, and allocated on the stack. So basically, record allocated memory allocated from the stack, right? The classes are the reference type, so they cannot copy it on the assignment. They are passed by reference and they are allocated on the heap, but record allocated on the stack. Record allow operators overloading on the Win32 platform. Classes, however, do not allow the operator overloading. Record are constructed automatically. User-defined record constructor must be the parameter, right? So it should have, if a user-defined constructor we are creating, right? We need to have at least one parameter, right? If you try to declare the just create, you shall get the error message like parameterless constructor cannot allow on the record type. So always in the record type, if user-defined constructor we are creating, we should have at least one parameter. It could be more than one also. The class must be explicitly constructed, right? So virtual method, those specified with the virtual dynamic or message keyword, right, cannot be used in the record type. So the memory for the record is generally allocated on this stack for the local variable in the global memory for the global one. Record type on the Win32 platform cannot implement interface, right? So here the few of the example is there, right? How to declare a record, right? So in a record we can have the all the access specifier, public, private, protected, right? Strict private, strict protected, and we can have the class operator, right? We can have the class member, class method, and if you see that the here I have taken one example of the how to create the record, okay, and how to create the class with the like syntax. So this is all about the class and records. Thank you.